Hey guys, it is me, Little Miss 0210, and I am at the airport about to go to Disney World. Yay! And I woke up at 5 a.m. this morning, and it's like 8-ish, yeah. And our flight leaves around 9, so yeah, I'm gonna get a video of the flight, I'm gonna get it off, blah 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 blah, yeah. But yeah, and I'm doing this video because of Gabby Baroness. She loves my videos, and she doesn't have a YouTube account yet, but she will soon. So yeah, I painted my nails Disney colors. Yeah, and I'm using my Vera Bradley Minnie Mouse shirt. Yeah, I'm ready. So yeah, I'm eating breakfast here, having pancake with biscuit with bacon. And her brother Christian is so cute. Christian Baroness. He always says that he loves me. And I love you too, buddy, if you're watching this. So yeah. Oh, and I don't think I've shown y'all birth yet. But if you follow me on Instagram, then look how cute. It's a little case. It's a little bee. Yeah. I get a lot of cases, just so you know. I love cases, and I'm sorry. Ooh, sorry. It's really loud here, so yeah, it's an airport. Okay, 1 second. But yeah, I'm just waiting, and I will finish this video later when I'm on the plane. So bye. And I'm waiting now.
Alexandra. Come on. All right, let me go.
And my cousin Anna Baroness. Yeah, she said to me.
Get up. Come on.
Alexandra.
No more. Get up.
We leave in 5.
What?
Oh, I just said we leave in 5.
Ooh, listen.
Look. Here. Right here. You want this?
Hey girls, come here. Over here. Come on.
Okay, gotta go. We're about to get on the plane. Down in the hall. Everyone's excited. Aren't you excited, Ava? Very excited. My sister's making a vlog.
Not to go on the plane, to go to Disney World. Yeah,
we're about to get on the plane.
I'm so happy. We're so happy.
Watch out. There. Look. Sorry.
All separate ways. Women think different, right? Yeah.
Here we go.
Went to Westside Jewish. Andrew already has a look at disgust on his face. How many times are we going to see that during the trip?
It's going to be permanent. What are you talking about? Just my face.
So excited.
On the way back, it'll droop more and more and more. By the time they're at the end of the trip, it'll be like.
Look at what Andrew's face is going to look like at the end of the trip. Or is he going to be like this?
Actually, yeah, as soon as we get off the flight, here
we go. Andrew.
And we're getting on. Bye, guys.
Oh my god.
There's on an airplane.
Going up. Good. Put it up. I have a bunch of kids following me.
Alright. High five.
Okay.
Where's my seat?
Who's who?
Can I have a window
Who's
seat?
gonna sit?
We are. Let's get a leg.
Wait, am I at the wrong seat?
8E. No.
8E.
That middle and the edge.
E and
And
F.
then we're all 3 of these.
Do I sit? Can I sit here?
Yeah.
Now,
Wait, which one?
come sit over here.
Okay.
Window. Like,
What is it?
I already wanted to.
We're on the way back.
Switch around. I don't.
Okay,
dude,
hold
I'm
on,
not
hold
fighting
on.
over this. Okay. And then we have there's 2 seats right there. So
Okay.
Plus.
Alright, well, the baby.
I need to put
someone-
these up. All right.
Okay, let's just wait.
Well, no, we'll never be able to wait.
Gross.
Here, hold this, please.
I'm gonna stay over here.
Here.
Sit over here.
I need everybody come over here.
Because they're sitting here. Hold on, wait.
Okay.
Okay, sit over there with Andrew.
Okay. I'll do this later. And I'll do this later when
Hold up for me,
goes.
please.
So, yeah.
We're on the airplane. We're not starting yet. But we're not getting, like, it's not, the airplane's not starting.
Oh, good.
But, and I'm going now, so I just want to show y'all that. So, yeah. You ready?
Sorry, my sister is very loud.
Not loud.
But yeah, whenever they start doing like people coming around and I'm not gonna stop, yeah, I'll start videos. Sorry, I'm just doing little clips. Last video I'm gonna take in the plane, but we are up in the sky and I have my drink and some Skittles and my stuff and myself. And yeah, that's all I need. So I will get a video of me in the hotel and say goodbye to the sky. Bye. And be ready to go to Disney. So thanks for watching. Bye.